What? You, random internet person, want to fight me, Dave LeClaire from MakeUseOf.com? Alright, if you insist. Oh wait, you don't mean like a fight, you mean like you want to play a fighting video game for the Xbox One? Well, I just happen to have the perfect piece of equipment for that right here, the Mad Catz Tournament Edition 2 Arcade Fight Stick. So if you really want to do that, we can do it. Now let me tell you a little bit about this fight stick first. This is a $200 piece of gaming hardware, which is very, very expensive for anything that's not a graphics card or a console in and of itself. So, is it worth that price? Is it well designed enough to be able to hold up to the demands of competitive gamers? All these questions and more are going to be answered in this review, so make sure you keep watching and also make it to the end of the review where we will tell you how to win one of these bad boys. So as far as the actual design of the device goes, you're going to find 8 buttons on the front, 4 in each row. They're slightly curved, which makes it comfortable for the shape of your hand. You'll find your X, Y, right bumper, left bumper on the top row, A, B, right trigger, left trigger on the bottom. You'll also find a ball joystick. The buttons and the joystick all have that satisfying click that you expect from arcade hardware. And the joystick has little grooves as it moves around in a circle, which helps you feel those quarter circles as you're playing your favorite fighting games, which is a great feature to have. You'll also find a button on the top of the device that lets you turn off the start and select button, or in this case, the menu and weird square button, whatever you call that one on the back of the Xbox One. So you can disable those so you don't accidentally pause a match in a tournament. In a tournament setting, typically pausing a game in the middle of a fight is an automatic disqualification. Nobody wants that to happen, so they've prevented you from doing that. You can actually open up the inside of the stick and get access to all the internals. That's where you'll find the cable, which you need to plug into your Xbox One in order to play. You'll also find the ability to change the buttons. You can add an LED array so you can make them light up. All kinds of cool stuff in there. If a button breaks, you can easily change it. It even has places to store replacement buttons and sticks. If you do not like the ball joystick and you prefer a bat, you can easily swap it out and put a bat joystick in. So they definitely made this thing very easy to modify. You can even change the art that appears under the clear area, though that will require a little work because you have to cut out the circles where the buttons and the joystick go. But Mad Catz has done a fantastic job of designing this stick. It's heavy, it has a grippy texture on the bottom so it won't slide on your lap or on a table, and it is just a well-designed piece of gaming hardware. But is it fun to play games on it? Is it comfortable? Well, that's the question we're going to answer next. So here we're looking at some gameplay of Killer Instinct on the Xbox One, seeing as that is the only fighting game available on Xbox One. It's the game we're playing. It's an unfortunate problem. It's not necessarily Mad Catz's fault that there's only one game on the Xbox One to play with the fight stick, but it is an unfortunate problem, and the stick does not work very well on PC either. It does not work with the left trigger and right trigger, and it switches the left bumper and right bumper, meaning you have to go underneath and actually change the cables, plug left bumper into right bumper and vice versa. So that's kind of a pain. So you're really going to be limited to playing Killer Instinct. Now that being said, it delivers a fantastic experience playing the game. The buttons are all comfortable, the way you position your hand is comfortable. I do have fairly long hands, and I could see that if you had shorter hands, it might be a little bit more of a stretch to get to the 4 buttons. The joystick feels great, has that satisfying click that we mentioned before, and the fact that you can disable the pause buttons is awesome. The weight really comes into play when you're playing games on it. You do not have to worry about this thing moving no matter where it is set. The metal back and the grippy texture is perfect for playing games, and all in all, it just delivers a great gameplay experience. It just comes down to the fact that there is only one game available, and if you do not like to play Killer Instinct, then you're kind of beat. All in all, great gameplay experience, just hindered by the fact that there's not a lot of choices of games to play. So in the end, the Mad Catz Tournament Edition 2 really only has 2 problems. One, the price is extremely high for anybody but the most competitive gamers. And 2, there's only one fighting game available for Xbox One, which is Killer Instinct. Now, if you love Killer Instinct, the Mad Catz Tournament Edition 2 is a great way to play it. If you don't, though, there's really no reason to run out and get this stick right now. Sure, Street Fighter will eventually come, Mortal Kombat will eventually come, but by the time they do, there will also be other options available and possibly even cheaper options. But if you are looking for a stick that right now and you don't want to wait, you certainly could do worse than this one. It is well designed, it feels great for playing games, it's ultra customizable so you can take all the buttons out, you can do whatever you want to it. So I would definitely say if you need a fight stick right now and you do not want to wait to see what comes down the road and you want to play Killer Instinct, you should absolutely go out and pick this bad boy up. You will be happy you did. And make sure to head over to makeusef.com and enter for your chance to win this bad boy so you can take it home for free. And you don't have to spend $200. You can play Killer Instinct and all the future fighting games and it will cost you $0. Once again, this has been Dave LeClaire with makeusef.com. Thank you very much for watching this review and we will see you next time.